Unlock the secret to consistent online income with CPA Grip, a powerful platform for turning clicks into cash. First, let's get you set up. Sign up for a free account on CPAGrip.com. It's straightforward. Once logged in, you'll see a vast marketplace of offers. These are products or services that pay you when someone takes a specific action, like signing up, downloading an app, or making a purchase. The key is choosing profitable offers. Navigate to the Offers tab and filter by your interests or the highest payouts. Look for offers with good EPC, earnings per click, which indicates how much other affiliates are making. Popular niches like dating, finance, and health often perform well. Once you've chosen an offer, you'll need a landing page. This is where you'll send your potential customers instead of sending them directly to the advertiser's page. A good landing page builds trust and persuades them to convert. You can create simple landing pages using free tools or by investing in a dedicated landing page builder. Crucially, your landing page needs to be high converting. This means a strong headline, clear benefits, compelling visuals, and a prominent call to action. A/B test different headlines and button colors to see what resonates best with your audience. Now, how do we get people to your landing page? Traffic is king. For beginners, organic social media and YouTube are excellent free options. Create engaging content related to your offer, build an audience, and strategically include links to your landing page. Paid traffic, like Facebook ads or Google ads, can be incredibly effective but requires a budget and careful targeting. When running paid ads, precision targeting is vital. Understand your ideal customer and tailor your ads to reach them. Focus on keywords and demographics that likely lead to conversions for your chosen offer. Finally, track everything. CPA Grip provides detailed analytics. Monitor your clicks, conversions, and earnings. Analyze which campaigns and landing pages are performing best and double down on what works. Learn from what doesn't and adjust your strategy. Consistent effort, smart choices, and continuous optimization are the pillars of success with CPA Grip.